Hey guys, welcome back to Kuma Style Reviews. These ones actually took me by surprise. I had them in just kind of, not necessarily in storage, but put away, working through reviews and stuff like that. But I took these guys out of the box and I'm not gonna lie, they're some of my favorite Iron Factory figures. So this is IF EX-39 HexWrench, obviously. Of course I forget his name. Hey guys, welcome back to Kuma Style Reviews. Alright, so a little bit late on the jump with this one, or these two actually. I got them on time, but kind of put them aside while I was reviewing other things. And yeah, took them out and they happen to be some of my favorite Iron Factory figures. We'll get into it, but it's pretty nuts and it's a good surprise. So I'm doing them both. IF EX-39, this is HexWrench, obviously it's Wheeljack, and this is IF EX-39D, DustFog, and this is Exhaust. So retools of each other. We've seen all kinds of versions of them, from classics to masterpiece, and now we have some really nice Legends figures. But yeah, so looking at the two of them, making sure that we get focus there, you can see blatant retools of each other. These apparatuses on the back actually come off. They each go on a single peg. That's also how you store them in bot mode. They just pop off like so. I actually love the way they look. And they are pretty synonymous with the characters, so I'm going to keep them on. Just wanted you to see that. And then I'm going to go over what each of them come with. So both of them, you'll see on the right, come with the variety of arms as well as the blaster. HexWrench actually comes with one more thing, and that's his ears would glow in the television show, and that's what that's represented, that alternate head. So pretty cool stuff. Alright. And we will actually put both of them on the turnstile here. And I've been asked that a lot in reviews and stuff like that about just this particular turnstile. I don't even remember where I got it from. Guys, it's something that you use for mostly like baking and things like that. Just Google turnstile. They're cheap. So give you guys a roundabout. Obviously, that's supposed to peg in there. And in terms of articulation, they're both going to be the same, but this is where it's really impressive. So lots of upward, downward. The heads are on ball joints, so 360 with the swivel. The shoulders, you can move this up for better outward swing, but that's about the extent of it there. These can be moved out of the way, the wings. Full 360 there. 360 bicep swivel. Alright. Past 90 degrees at the elbows. And then even have wrist swivels. Of course they do, because the hands peg in, the additional ones. So pretty cool. Now the waist, you can see it actually has real ab crunch. Absolutely crazy. Really cool stuff. So in terms of the forward and back swing, forward, there's back. Even has good outward swing. 360 thigh swivel. Deep in past 90. He does have heels, but then lots of ankle tilt on the front. So let's take a look. Not gonna do the alternate head at the moment. It's not that huge of a deal. Pictures will be on the gallery, kumastyle.com. And then exhaust. We'll go ahead and peg that back in. and just neat figures with neat sculpts, awesome paint jobs. They're gorgeous, and they play really fun too. The joints on them are really smooth. Like, this is just good stuff. And this cannon, it is adjustable as well. So you can do that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get one of them transformed, show you guys the art. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this guy transformed. I'm going to go in the order of the instructions. I've already removed the blaster and the cannon on the back as well. So it says first part, shifting the biceps around, shifting the biceps around, and then taking these fists, shifting them in so the white's on the outside, turn them, white on the outside. So okay. And then it tells us to turn it around to the back. Go back here, and of course we're gonna bring these wings in. Alright. From there, it says we're bringing this all the way over. Okay. And then this front piece has a hinge there, and it comes down. And from there, we can bring this piece over. You can see we're already almost there. This isn't hard transformation or anything. So, moving those shoulders up, using this hinge right here, and there's a peg on the back bumper that pegs into the tops of the shoulders there. Keep them in line. Alright, so we got that. And now, moving that down, taking these, moving them in, the heels. And from there, I believe, it's easy as pushing it in. Yep. Make sure that these are pegged together, the two legs. I'm just making sure I have everything nice and tight. And there we go. Before we get these up on the turnstile, I want to show you guys the weapon storage as well. So you take the guns, you fold it in like so. And then there's a peg underneath. Goes like that. And of course, there you go. So, same thing over here. Of course I get them mixed up. Like, that doesn't look right. Okay, so I've tried to shine the lights away from these a bit so you can see more of the detailing. And at least with the LCD, it looks like the shadows and whatnot and contours are a lot more visible than they were before, but there we go. I mean, not much to them. Weapon storage underneath. And I mean, they're cars, all four wheels roll. But anyway, this has been Iron Factory's EX-39 and 39D, HexWrench, and DustFog. Of course, Wheeljack and Exhaust. Awesome, awesome, awesome looking pieces. Really fun, insanely articulated, or more articulated than most classic scale figures that you'll see. Buy yours, TF Source. I believe they're like $30-ish a piece, but you'll have to check there. I can put a link in the description just to be certain. But yeah, I like these a lot, and I hate that I waited so long to go ahead and unbox and review them and stuff, because visually, in terms of play, they just hit it on just every facet, head to toe. They're just really, really, really well done. In fact, they're some of Iron Factory's best, and I slept on them. But anyway, this has been another Kumasao review. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you next time. Thanks again for your support.